Haley is camera shy. I don't think Maisie's so camera shy.
So what do you give bananas to all food, banana food?
It's a reading thing.
No, you
Maisie, Maisie, isn't that cool?
Yeah. Daddy, look it. The reading thing.
I know. Awesome, huh?
What do you tell Grandma Stephanie and Papa Steven?
Thank you.
No, on the camera. Say thank you.
Love you.
Say love you. Say Merry Christmas. You want to play with it?
Mm-hmm.
You want to open the other presents too?
I can't
Merry
open
Christmas.
Say I love you.
Love you guys. Merry Christmas.
There's my dad. And there's Olive, the little ham stealers. Merry Christmas. Love you guys.